How to activate Lowe's credit card account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can activate your Lowe's credit card account. The first step is to open up any web browser. Head over to lowes.syf.com. Once you are on this page, at the top right corner of your screen, you will find a profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Here at the bottom, you have two different options. One is sign in, the another one is create account. If you do not have an account, tap on the second one, create account, in order to create a new account. All you have to do is fill up all the information, follow the on-screen prompts, and then your new account will be ready. Once your account has been created, in order to sign in, tap on the sign in option. On the login page, first of all, enter your email address. Then, on the second box, enter your password. If you want your details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the option of Forgot Password in order to reset your password. For that, you will have to enter your email address. Then, they will send you a one-time passcode to reset your account. Once you have been logged into your account, head over to the menu option. From there, tap on the option of Activate. Then enter all the necessary information. After your credit card has been activated, you will receive an email stating that your card is now ready to use. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.